Hello, Fab Family. Hello. It's so good to see you. I hope that you are doing well wherever you are. I talk a lot about skincare, makeup, personal care for us ladies, but Dollar Tree does not just do budget friendly for women. They've got the men covered too. I have been accumulating and getting my husband to try out some of the men's care products that I found from Dollar Tree. And today we are going to go over all of those products, and I'm going to tell you everything he thought about them and some of my thoughts about them. And I'm going to tell you all of the stuff I got. And we are going to go in, and this will give you some good ideas, maybe for some holiday gifts or just for some personal care items for that man in your life. It doesn't have to be your husband. It can be your son, your brother, a good friend, anyone who is into personal care and wants to have a healthy hygiene routine. My name is Jamie, but you can call me Fabs. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I make press-on nails. I also make budget-friendly beauty content featuring stores like Dollar Tree because I love to look good, but I'm trying to save all the money I can while I do it. That means I test their products on my 40-plus skin to see if it's worth your money. And this week, my husband has been testing all of the products just for you guys. So if you love content like that, or you're just interested in joining the Fab family, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing because I've got so much I'd love to share with you. So before we get into this men's care, I'm going to tell you quickly my Dollar Tree lip combo because you know it's not a Dollar Tree video unless we start there. I used this auto liner from LA Colors. It doesn't want to focus. There it goes. And this is in the rose brown. I found this deep in the depths of a drawer that I forgot I had. And this is an LA Colors lip liner, so it still fits the bill. There we are. Not the best swatchy swatch, but it's like a rosy brown shade. I actually really enjoy this to overline with. And I like how small the tip is. So yeah, I've had these for quite a while, and I paired it with this Beauty Intuition lipstick. Now these lipsticks are not my favorite, but it did the trick. This one, I don't know the shade because they do not list the shades on the component. So once you take it out of the packaging, you are pretty much on your own. This is what we're looking like. Let me see it. Let me get it. There we go. This is what it's looking like. It's like a pinky kind of nude. I mean, y'all know I love a pink nude. And then I covered that with this La Mercury Pro Jelly Lip Tint. These also do not say the shade, so this is the shade. This is the shade here. Kind of like a pinky. It's all the same. It's all the same. So this came out to just put a little bit of sheen to my lips. I prefer a gloss over a lipstick. So that is our Dollar Tree lip combo. We're not here for that. We are here for the men's. Let's get right into it. So I do have a couple of things, like I said, I've been accumulating, but you guys, there's a lot of stuff at Dollar Tree. There are a ton of men's stuff. I didn't get every single thing I found because I just couldn't justify it. My husband doesn't have a bunch of hair and he doesn't have a beard, so I didn't get any of those things, but there's a ton of beard care and a ton of hair care products, pomades, styling gels, styling products, and they all come in these cute little red packaging. It almost kind of reminds you of like Old Spice kind of deal. So I would suggest if you do have a man in your life that does like to style or his coif, whatever, definitely maybe give those a try. I'm not quite sure how well they work, but I love anything Dollar Tree, so I'm going to go with they probably work really well. But the first things I'm going to show you that I do have are going to be some bar soaps. The first one is this Personal Care Fresh Bar Soap. It says cleans and freshens, and it's the Blue Port scent. It came with 2 bars. You can see that it's been opened. He's used one of the bars, and it was $1.25 for 2 of the bars here. Now, he actually said that he enjoyed this bar soap. He didn't come back for the second bar though, but that might just because he knew I was doing my review. But he said he enjoyed the bar soap. So I actually have used this personal care brand bar soap recently too. And I find that their soaps do not leave too much of a like tightness. They don't leave your skin feeling super dried out, which I find with a lot of cheaper soaps end up doing. And this did not have that problem at all. So I think that he recommended this one. And then he also tried this White Rain Men's Solar Rush bar soap. This one came with 3 in the package for $1.25. And he actually said he didn't care for this. I don't remember exactly why he didn't care for it, but I'm going to assume it probably left his skin feeling dry, and maybe the scent, because he's kind of picky on scents, but he did not want another one of these. He said he didn't care for these. He's going to donate all of the rest of the stuff that he doesn't like to his brother, who's a little less picky, and hopefully he can find some things that he likes better. So this is one of the things that he said no to. I thought it was a great deal, 3 bars for $1 or $1.25. So I don't know if you guys want to give them a try or not. I also found these Joe Boxer face and body cleansing wipes. Now he hasn't tried these because I want to put these in his stocking. If you see these leaks, sorry, but I want to put these in his stocking. So he hasn't tried these yet, but you get 50 wipes. No, you get 30. All right, guys, sorry. I ran out of, or my camera died. I had to plug it in. Sorry about that. My camera died. I had to plug it in. So anyway, I got these. They're all individually. So I got these because I like the fact that they're individually wrapped. So he can take these with him on the go to work and such. And that, so the next thing I want to show you guys are going to be some deodorants. So let me start with the good, I guess. We'll start with the good. The 2 deodorants that he said he really liked were these Lucky brand deodorants. This is the Lucky Super Soft Cool Plus Comfort Antiperspirant Deodorant Daily Protection. He actually really liked this one. He said that the scent was really nice, and I think this is supposed to be a dupe for a Dove deodorant. He also really liked this one. This one is the Lucky Super Soft brand antiperspirant deodorant in the Bali Breeze scent. So he said he really liked the scent of this, and you can see that this is supposed to be a Old Spice dupe. They do a ton of dupes for the Old Spice brand. But one of the deodorants he said he did not like at all was this Lucky for Men antiperspirant deodorant. This was $1.25, and it's the Extreme Energy scent. He said he didn't like the scent, and he said that it left him stinky. So this one was a no-go. We are both quite picky when it comes to deodorant. I have not found a Dollar Tree deodorant that I've liked that's like a Dollar Tree brand. I found Dove and Suave at Dollar Tree, but those aren't not necessarily Dollar Tree brands. So when it comes to the deodorants, it's really, really like more of a hit, or it's more of a miss than a hit situation. So there's that, because he did not like any of these spray deodorants, none of the ones that are dupes. So this one is a 48-hour dry spray compared to Degree. He said no to this one. This one is compared to Degree Cool Rush. He said no to this one. He absolutely did not like this one. This is the Extra Care brand Chivalry. This one is supposed to be a dupe for the Old Spice Swagger scent, and it's a dry spray. He did not like this one at all. He sprayed it once and he was like, heck no. He said that he did not like that scent, and he in general just said that these just did not do it for him. He felt stinky and the scents just weren't it for him. So this one is compared to Dove Men's Cool Fresh, which this is a brand, the Dove brand is one of the ones that I would actually normally get for him. So I was disappointed that he didn't like this one. These were all $3 as well. So these are not $1.25. So you guys buy these with caution. If your man is very like stinky and he's picky, I don't know if I would waste my $3 on those, because they're not as they're not that much cheaper than what you would get at a regular store, and I don't think they're as effective. So not everything at Dollar Tree works, but one that he did really like, which is actually almost gone, is this one. This is the Extra Care brand's Active Sport Dry Spray. This one is compared to Old Spice Pure Sport, and you can see it definitely gives the Old Spice effect, and he actually really liked the scent, and he said that this kept him smelling fresh. So we finally found one that would work. So of the deodorant sprays, this is the only one he liked. Now, this is just his opinion, just like I just give you guys my opinion. And I don't wear men's deodorant, so I couldn't give you my opinion. So he was nice enough to do it for me. So yeah, take it with a grain of salt. This is also just kind of just show you guys that they have a ton of men's care at Dollar Tree, and there's a ton to choose from. So this is just a couple of things that I found. There's so much more than this. So I'm going to keep going. He said that this shave gel here from the Extra Care brand, he did not like. It's still completely full, but he's actually kind of picky when it comes to shave gel. He likes that expensive Cremo brand stuff. So you know how it is. When it comes to stuff like that, you just like what you like. I don't know what it was about this one, but he did not like this one. And then since we're still talking about shaving, I will keep it here. I love this scent, you guys. This Chivalry scent. This is the Extra Care brand aftershave. It was $1.25, and this is the Chivalry scent. And it smells so good. It smells so good. I don't know if I gave him this to try. I know he doesn't really wear aftershave. It's kind of like an antiquated thing, I feel like, but I'm going to give this to him and see if he'll wear this. This smells really, really nice. If you guys see this in Dollar Tree, give it a whiff and see if you like it. You might want to give it to your person in your life who you might want to smell really nice. So yeah. And, I don't expect it to last like super, super long, but it does have a good, strong scent. So I'm going to assume that that's going to last a good amount of time. So some things that he did really like for body sprays were these Power Stick brand body sprays. This one is in the Brazilian Mist. He asked me, he was like, well, this one says for her. And I said, well, if you like the scent, does it matter what it says? And he said no. So he liked the scent. This one is gone, the Brazilian Mist. He really liked these. I don't care for the body sprays in this kind of formula because I don't like the aerosol spray of it, but he did not care for the Pacific Nights. So once he liked the Brazilian Mist, I tried to grab a whole bunch of them, and he didn't care for the Pacific Nights. It's still full. We're going to give this one away. And then he hasn't tried this yet. This says it's the Yardley Fragrance Body Mist, and it's the English Lavender. This smells so masculine. Yes. This is really, really masculine. I've never smelled lavender like this. Like lavender can give like a little bit of a masculine scent, but I've never smelled it like this. So I'm actually going to give this to him as well. I used to see these all the time. They had a yellow one too, but this one is very masculine smelling. And then they also had these post-shave instant nick care for your beard and neck. I don't know why this one's all turned around. There we go. That's better. So yeah. I'm going to put all of these kind of things that he hasn't tried yet in his stocking. So these are all really good stocking stuff ideas. I might just put the aftershave in there and just be like, here, try, this is yours. Because I love the way this smells. So these are kind of things I'm going to put in some stocking stuffers as well. So you guys can keep that in mind, because I know sometimes it's hard to decide what to get them for stocking stuffers. And then lastly, oh my gosh, this is it. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys, we've all seen these. This is the Men Plus Care from Dove. This is just a little small pocket lotion. It says Ultra Hydrate Cream Lotion, face, hands, and body. So this will be perfect for like just any time. And my husband likes a good face moisturizer. So I'm going to also put this one in his stocking. And besides this, you can also use any of like the shampoos or anything like that from Dollar Tree. And they also have razors. I was not able to get him to try the razors. He's so picky about razors. So the razors, you're going to be on your own for them, but there are a ton of razors to choose from. And if they're anything like the ladies' razors, they should be pretty good because I enjoy those. That is it, you guys. That is all of the men's care products that I have personally found for you. I am sure there are some things that I missed. I saw that there were a ton of the Tag brand body sprays, as well as the Tag brand like body, what are they called? The face cloths, hand wash, whatever they are, you know, the towelettes or whatever. But I just did not want to grab those because that's not something my husband would use. And the Tag sprays, he just had so much of the other body sprays. I just didn't want to grab those yet. I do think I got him one of those for his stocking, but either way, so there's a ton of stuff to choose from. You guys, be creative, and you don't have to spend a ton of money for you to look good, your son, brother, anyone in your life to look good. And if you need some gift ideas, these are great gift ideas. A lot of these things don't even look like they're from Dollar Tree, so you could probably make them work, and that person in your life just wouldn't even know. So that is all I've got for you guys today. I thank you guys so much for being here with me. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I know that your time is valuable, so any time that you spend with me is greatly appreciated. I hope that you got some great ideas from today's video, and until tomorrow, happy Vlogmas. I will see you then. Until then, have a great day. My name is Jamie, but you can call me Fabs. See you. Love you. Bye.